Running a sale on Poshmark is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can run a sale on Poshmark. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you just need to follow these instructions. First things first, announce the sale. Use the My Shoppers feature to notify your followers and past shoppers about your sale. You can create a post or send a bulk messages. Now, the second step is bundle discount. Offer bundle discounts by getting a percent off. When buyers purchase multiple items from the closets, go to your profile, tap on My Seller Tools, and then My Bundle Discount. You will be able to create it from this page. Now here you can actually do the create price drops, lower the price of your items. When you drop the price by at least 10%, Poshmark notifies users who have liked the item, which can increase visibility and sales. Host a closet clear out. During a closet clear out event, drop your prices by at least 10% to trigger discount shopping for buyers. Announce the event to your followers. Share your listings. Regularly share your items, especially during Poshmark parties, to keep them visible to potential buyers. Promote on social media. Share your sales on your social media account to reach a broader audience. Offer private discounts. Use the offers to likers features to send them private discount to users who have liked your items. This include a price drop and shipping discount. Run a theme sale. Choose a theme each summer sale, holiday sale, and highlight relevant items to create excitement and urgency. So that's very much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.